Welcome to this quick guide on setting up a NAS as your personal cloud. A network attached storage device, or NAS, lets you store and access your files from anywhere with full control and privacy. No monthly fees from big tech. First, choose your hardware. For beginners, pick a ready made NAS like a Synology or QNAP model with at least two drive bays. For advanced users, build your own with TrueNAS on a mini PC. Install hard drives, preferably enterprise or NAS rated ones, and connect the device to your router via Ethernet. Power it on, access the setup page from a computer on the same network. Follow the wizard to install the operating system, create an admin account, and set a strong password. Next, create a storage pool. Use RAID 1 or higher for data protection if you have multiple drives. Enable file services like SMB for easy sharing with Windows, Mac, and mobile devices. For remote access, set up a VPN on your router or use the NAS maker's secure remote access feature, such as Synology Quick Connect. Avoid exposing ports directly to the internet. Install useful apps, photo backup, media server like Plex, or even Nextcloud for a full personal cloud experience. Finally, install the companion apps on your phone and computers. Enable two factor authentication and keep the system updated. That's it. You now have a private, powerful personal cloud. Enjoy full ownership of your data.